How to change email on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, locate your Facebook application and then open it. Now go to the menu bar. After that, scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Then go to See More in Account Center. Go to Personal Details. Go to Contact Info. Now, in order to add a new email or change your email, simply tap on the Add New Contact. Go to Add Email Address. Add your email address here. Select the account for this email address and get it verified. After that, go back and then simply select the one that you want to remove or replace with your just added email address. Then go to Delete Email Address, confirm delete, verify, and then you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.